Hello, Dhruv. Can you hear me and can you see the screen? Hello, just confirm me once if you can see the screen. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, now you can see the screen.
Yeah, I'm on my phone because
Okay,
I.
okay. I think that's it.
Okay,
We were waiting for. Okay. Let's
okay,
do
yeah,
for now, for today, at least some we can complete. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. So, integer you understood? The integer
yeah.
part. So
Can
I
you?
told you, yeah,
Yeah,
positive
what?
and
Yeah,
negative. The types you have heard. I was explaining you the types.
yeah.
Okay, means what is commutative, what is associative, that you have understood?
Can you just recap because your
Yeah,
voice is
surely,
break.
surely. So that, yeah, I am starting from the beginning only. So I told you
Yeah.
that there is integer, okay, and we do a sum.
Okay.
Okay, we did a sum and it's on presentation 0, and here you 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, this is the
Okay.
representation. And the number I told you that there is no any larger or smallest integer. This is one. And next, every integer has a predecessor and a successor. Okay. Next, an integer is smaller than all those integers which are on the right side. You remember I told you, I hope you have heard that part, like -4, -5.
Yeah.
Which one is better? This one is better. Okay, means which is
Yeah.
on the right. Right
Okay.
side of what? Which are on the right side of,
Scale.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. And then I was telling you the properties of integer. But prior to the properties of integer, I think we should revise at what is called commutative law, what is called associative law, and all those things. Correct? Because we need those. And I was telling you that why we did the number part, because we have to use those things. Now, going with the laws. Okay, I told you what are associative laws. Associative law properties. These are what? These are properties of rational number. Okay. So now next, closure law. What is a closure law? Addition and multiplication of any two rational number.
Can you give
Okay.
an example?
Yeah. Is also a rational number. Like a plus b is equals to b plus a.
Yeah.
That is what. Or a into b will be equal to b into a. Correct. Next, this law, commutative law. What is commutative law? For any two rational number, what is the commutative law? Like a by b, c by d, a by b. So a by d, take multiply of this and here consider for multiply. C by d, a by d. So plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. Okay. So C by D multiplied by A by B is plus, this is multiplied, C by D, A by B, plus C by D, that is C by D plus A by B. Or what we can tell? A by B multiplied by C by D, or C by D multiplied by A by D. Third,
Okay.
associative law. What are associative law? For any three rational number, say A by B, C by D, and E by F, A by B plus C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B, and this together. Just the way I told you, A plus B equal to B plus C. Same way. Okay.
Okay.
And same for multiplication also. Whatever the formula for plus, that is a formula for multiplication. C by D multiplied by E by F So that is A by B, C by D, E by F. Okay. This is associative law for additive and multiplicative identity. What do we mean by that? Additive and multiplicative identity. A by B plus 0 is equal to A by B. What do I mean by that? 0 is what? 0 by 1 is an additive identity. Okay, this is one. And A by B multiplied by 1 is equals to A by B. Means 1 is also 1 by 1. That is what? This is a multiplicative identity. Okay. This is additive and multiplicative identity. Also, you have additive and multiplicative inverse. What do we mean by that? We mean by that A by B plus minus A by B is equal to 0 by 1. Means minus A by B is additive inverse of A by B. Opposite. A by B minus A by B. And similarly, if I go for A by B multiplied by B by A, that is 1 by 1. Means B by A is multiplicative inverse of A by B. Clear? Next, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Well, they do not follow. Hello, Dhruv, you can hear me, I guess so? Hello, Dhruv.
Yeah, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. So, rational numbers, they do not follow commutative and associative law. For what? For subtraction and division. This is one. Next, distribution law. What do we mean by distribution law? For any three rational numbers, say A, B, C, A, B plus C, or A, B plus AC, or say A, B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. Okay. So here, this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
one. And if X and Y are any two rational numbers, then such that X is less than Y, then half of X plus Y is what? Is also a rational number. And that is lying between X and Y, which shows what? Which shows that there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So is it clear what I mean by that? If X and Y are any two rational numbers, say X is less
Yeah.
than Y, then half of X plus Y is what? Is also a rational number, because both are rational number. No, they are lying between what? X and Y, which shows what? That there are infinite number of rational number between any two rational number. Clear? So these are the properties which I thought that you should know. Now we can go with the
Okay.
properties of integer. So here, and there are some important rules also for the integer. Okay. So going with properties of integers. What are they? Closure law. Now I hope it is clear that what is closure law.
Yeah.
Closure law is followed by all the integers. Okay. This is one. Next, commutative law and associative law. Commutative law and associative law is not followed by all the integers for the subtraction. Okay. Means 4 minus 6 is not equal to 6 minus 4. Or 4 minus 6 minus 2 is not equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. But it is valid for addition, like 4 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 4. Or minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, additive identity of all the integers is 0. And multiplicative identity of all the integers is 1. So that means what? What do I mean by that? If we do an example, minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3, or 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. Okay. Similarly, if I take, say, minus 5 multiplied by 1, minus 5, or 7 multiplied by 1, 7. Okay. Next, additive inverse of an integer, a is what? Minus a. So additive inverse, say for 7, 8, 9, 15, minus 2 will be what? Tell me. Just minus. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 15, 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication is what? Over addition or subtraction. Means a multiplied by b minus c will be what? A multiplied by b plus minus a multiplied by c. Okay. Now, these are the properties. I hope till now it is clear. We can go
Yeah.
further for some important rules. Okay. Regarding the sign, convention, and also in mathematical operations. So here, what are those? First, a plus b will be what? A plus b. This is one. Next, minus a plus minus b is equals to a minus b. Or minus a
Ma'am, won't it
plus
be
minus.
minus A minus B?
It's just notation. These are rule regarding the sign. So if there is
Okay.
a minus in front of, say, one number minus, and in front of one number plus, say 1, here it is minus, here it is plus. So plus minus, it will become a minus b. Okay, minus a plus b. Then what it will happen? I'm writing again. Say if I am giving you one thing, that is minus a plus b. That is b minus a. Okay. Again, a plus minus b means plus minus, so a minus b. Correct. Plus
Yeah.
minus minus. That one. Notations. Minus a plus minus b is equal to
Minus A minus B
minus a plus b.
plus B. Okay.
Okay. So means plus 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 is plus, or minus plus plus is plus. But if numerical value which is associated with it of plus is greater, it has to be greater. Okay. And minus plus plus is equal to minus when if numerical value of minus is greater. Okay. This is minus plus, and minus plus minus is equal to minus. Okay. Like 4 plus 7 will be what? 11. But minus 3 plus 8 will be what? Minus 3 plus 8 will be what? Hello? You can hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Minus 3 plus 8 will be what?
5 plus 5.
Plus 5? Okay. So it's plus minus and a numerical value it is there. Okay. Next, A multiplied by B is AB. Correct? And minus A multiplied by B will be minus AB. Here, if there is a plus, multiplied by plus, it will come to plus. Minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus. A multiplied by minus B is equal to minus AB. So plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. Minus A multiplied by minus B, so that is AB. So minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. Like say 2 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 6, or minus 2 multiplied by 3 will be equal to minus 6. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the important rules of an integer. Now, if I talk about absolute value of an integer, absolute value of an integer, what we can say? What can be an absolute value of an integer? The absolute value of an integer is its numerical value, always. Okay, its numerical value irrespective of its sign. Okay, that is the absolute value of an integer x will be written as x and will be defined as x is equals to x if x is greater than equals to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, what is modulus? See, it means any integer, whether it is positive or negative, if it is operated upon modulus, it always gives a positive integer. What do I mean by that? Like for example, minus 7 modulus will be 7 only. We ignore this one. Also, if I say to you maximum of x minus x, so that is x mod, or minus minimum of x minus x, so that will be x. And if I talk about root over x square, that is also x mod. Okay, so if I there are certain properties of the modulus, like first a mod is always minus of a, because both values same. Minus of a and plus of a are all same, no?
Yeah.
This is one. Next, plus a. Next, AB is equal to AB. Both are same. Or A by B is equal to A by B. Fourth, A plus B is less than equals to A plus B. Okay. 5, say if A is less than equals to K, then minus K is less than equals to K. A mod. Or if A minus B is less than equals to K, or minus K less than equals to A minus B less than equals to K. So B minus K is less than equals to A is less than equals to B plus K. Are they clear?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
understood.
For today, I have to stop here because I am having another class. Again, we will continue from next day. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.